In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends connection to server timed out code leaf. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in cmd, right click and then run as administrator. Over here, write the following commands. So ipconfig/renew and press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS. And then ipconfig/release. And then ipconfig register DNS, and then netsh winsock reset, and then netsh int ip reset. And once you do this, you can close this down, then go to control panel. Next thing, go here, type in control panel, and then go to network, and then network, and then go to your internet properties. Down here, go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then click properties, select here and type in 888888844, press OK, and this should fix your issue.